if you could build human-like robots that would act and think just like us? Well, this is the concept of biorobotics. Biorobots are lifelike humanoid robots that look exactly like humans, even down to our expressions and speech patterns. They can walk, talk, and even have feelings just like people do. Bizarre lifelike human robots have been around for a while now. In this episode of Technology Now, we will walk you through the world of robotics and will surely make your mind blown away. Stay with us as we explore the fascinating world of humanoid robotics. This is Technology Now. Number 1. Meet Nadine. Nadine is not only a machine. She was designed after Professor Nadia Magnanat-Talmud. She's an intelligent robot who can greet you, carry on a pleasant conversation, and remember your preferences going ahead. It means she can pick up the conversation right where you left off. She is multilingual and able to emote in a variety of ways. What's even more amazing is the fact that Nadine engaged with over 100,000 guests at Singapore's Art Science Museum. Among the influential persons she's talked to are the head of the Deutsche Bank and India's Prime Minister, His Excellency Narendra Modi. Presently, she is a customer service agent at AIA Singapore, where she works Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Inquire of her as you would any other customer service representative. She will respond appropriately whether you speak English, German, Hindi, or Japanese. Nadine's adaptability in social situations is a step forward for the use of social robots to aid the mobility of persons with disabilities. It's true that Talmud thinks robots will one day be caregivers for the elderly and those with dementia. Social robots offer a potential answer to the labor decline that many nations are experiencing as a result of their aging populations. Number 2. GEMINOID DK. It's natural to feel terrified by a robot that seems very much like a human. Reason? They are remarkably similar to us in appearance, manner of speech, and general behavior. Do not worry though, since the robot GEMINOID DK created at Aalborg University is a nice machine intelligence. You can be forgiven for mistaking GEMINOID DK for a real person, given how carefully its designers modeled human movement and expression. It turns out that Professor Henrik Scharfe served as the inspiration for the robot. Working with a group of Japanese scientists, they attempted to create an exact clone of Scharfe's head and torso. Number 3. AMECA. AMECA is cloud-based and uses AI and machine learning platforms to constantly improve and take advantage of the newest ideas from the IT community. This is a humanoid robot that can hold a conversation and respond with virtually any facial emotion, thanks to its 17 motors. AMECA mimics human behavior by making hand gestures while talking. In 2022, AMECA was one of the most talked about humanoid robots after she wowed crowds at the Consumer Electronics Show. Elon Musk, the inventor of the Tesla robot, reacted with a single yikes. So far, the robot can't run, walk, or do cartwheels like Atlas. With the modular structure, however, having a face-to-face conversation with AMECA is a matter of time. Wow, can't help but be amazed by this. So far, which robot do you like the best? Drop your comments in the comment section below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it, and subscribe if you want to see more like it in the future. Number 4. Atlas. One may argue that Atlas is the most well-known robot in the world. Boston Dynamics, Atlas's creators, published a video called Do You Love Me, in which the robot dances, does backflips, and more. Its popularity has grown and many people have trouble believing that it is even real. This robot is among the most advanced of its kind. Atlas is quick and competent, but it is quite forgetful, unlike Nadine. Atlas is able to move with pinpoint accuracy thanks to its 28 hydraulically operated degrees of freedom. This robot has a top speed of 2.5 meters per second and can sprint, jump, flip, and stop in a heartbeat. Atlas won the DARPA Robotics Challenge in 2015 by performing all 8 challenges, including mounting an industrial ladder, walking down an industrial walkway, connecting a fire hose to a standpipe, and opening a valve. Such actions are quite complicated and may involve several different processes. Although first developed as a research platform, Atlas and similar robots will soon be helping in SAR efforts, opening doors, and operating machinery in environments where people cannot stay. To sum up, Atlas can do nearly everything a person can, and perhaps even more so in the future. Look how far we've come with technology. Number 5. Tesla Bot. Can you imagine what it would be like to live in a world with robots? Apparently, Elon Musk is considering something like this. Musk debuted the Tesla Bot in August 2021, despite his previous concerns about artificial intelligence and robots. The Tesla Bot, standing at 5 feet 8 inches tall and weighing 125 pounds, was the first robot of its kind capable of navigating the human environment. Its nickname, Optimus Subprime, is already emphasizing warmth and friendliness. It is the first humanoid robot to fully capture the wonder of science fiction, and it was built specifically to replace humans in dangerous, monotonous, and tedious work. The robot can only go at a maximum speed of 5 miles per hour, allowing you to easily outrun it. He described Optimus as a kind of worker droid, a droid designed for various tasks. While Musk acknowledged that Optimus is a diversion from the auto industry, he also noted that it has the potential to become more important than the auto industry in the long run. These machines are certain to leave you wondering what the world with these robots in the future is like. Well, we don't know what the future will hold, but all we know is that this will surely aid us in our everyday work. I hope you found this video to be helpful. Again, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you for watching all the latest technological developments right here and right now. This is Technology Now. I'll see you in the next video.